This lecture covers write a program using for loop that loops over a sequence. What is sequence in the Python and how to iterate sequence data types in the Python using for loop. Hello guys, this is Sharda and we will discuss sequence data type and the iteration of the sequence data type with for loop. So first of all, for loop in the Python is used to iterate the statements or a part of the program several times. It is frequently used to traverse the data structures like list, tuple, string or dictionary. So we have different sequence data types like dictionary, tuple, set, list and string. So we will traverse these items with the help of for loop. So what the syntax we will follow, for, and then we need to write here the variable name, in is an inbuilt keyword, and then we need to provide the sequence. We don't need to provide the range function. There is another way to use the for loop with range function. And how for loop works, you know very well. When the loop condition is true, it means it will go inside the loop body and it will execute all the statements inside the loop body. Otherwise, it exit loop. So we will see the practical part here. First, we define a string s is equal to goeduhub and then write a loop for I in s. S is a sequence, a string sequence, and then we will print I. So what it will do, every item it traverses first G, then O, then E, D, U, H, U, B. I can run this block and you can see the output. Similarly, if you want to traverse the list items, then you can take a list. Here we are taking a list of colors. Color underscore list is equal to red, green, white, purple, pink and maroon. And then same loop we can write like this. For I in color list and then I can print I, and it is traversing each and every element. And similarly we can use the dictionary also. Dictionary is a collection of key value pair. So this is the first element and this is the comma separated elements, and before the colon we have key and after the colon we have value. So here we have 4 pair of key value and we just want to traverse with the help of for loop. Then we can write like this, for I in name of the dictionary, and it will print the keys. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to print the values at the key, then you need to write fr underscore dictionary and then a square bracket and then need to pass the I. Now we will see a small program, sum of all the list items using for loop. So number, here we are taking a list of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we are taking a variable sum is equal to 0 and then we are traversing through the loop for I in num and sum is equal to sum plus I, and you can print the sum. Sum is 55. So we can use the for loop to iterate the sequences like this. I hope you got the concept, and if you have any question you can write in the comment section and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.